Things on the side of the bottle jack are actually wheel chucks. And they make it so you have to take them off before you can even use the jack, I guess to force you to use them, which is pretty cool. You are gonna need this little thing right here with this hook in it, because that's going to go in to the jack and lock in where this green thing is. And then you simply just turn it and it goes up. I like to get her kind of spun up before I put it under there, so that way it's pretty close to the frame before I really start cranking. And we only really want to get this up as high as we need to get the wheel out from the car, okay? We don't want to go any higher than we have to, especially with a big heavy vehicle like this. Always make sure that you secure your vehicle up on some jack stands. It's a nice thing to do before you get the wheel off, because you never know, you might have to go up a little bit or a little down to get that jack stand in there. What you gotta do is take off this cover. It's held down by 22 mil. And these are just plastic, so you don't want to go too hard on these. This just holds like a little hubcap on. All right, now we're gonna take the rest off with this impact. The tires on this thing are stupid heavy. I'd say they probably weigh, probably 70 pounds each, easy. And sometimes I wish I wasn't so curious. 85.5 pounds.